Okay, that might make recording a little interesting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, I'm just gonna start stealing people's intros and you guys can guess down in the comment section who am I channeling, okay? Channeling, not stealing. Who am I channeling today? You guys can leave that down in the comments below and we'll just make a game out of it because yeah, I don't have an intro and everybody else's is way more fun. So, as you guys can already tell by the title, today is another skincare day. My skin is in need of repair and I'm in need of a face mask, like as soon as possible. So I have two face masks here today and I'm hoping that these guys can help me out because, as I said, my skin has been a million times better. I really blame this on the weather, the fact that it's been like 100 and something degrees here in Boston. I haven't been eating the best, definitely haven't been drinking that much water. I've been to Six Flags a whole bunch of times, so like, I know the air is not that clean. Well, maybe it is, I don't really know. You guys tell me, like going to theme parks is that, I don't know. As you guys can tell by the title, today is gonna be another skincare day. Well, not another skincare day, just a much needed. Thanks, rude. I cannot take myself seriously, that's so funny. So as you can already tell by the title, today is a much needed skincare day. My skin, you guys already know, I'm obsessed with skincare, obsessed with face masks, but my skin, I can't talk, but my skin has looked so much better right now. It's bad, it's pretty bad. I have stuff everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Also, please excuse my nails and my 1 of 10 set, my 10% of a full set that I had, but I ripped them all off, but like, we're not. Anyway, so today we're gonna be doing two face masks. I don't know if I'm gonna do two face masks. Today I'm gonna be doing a face mask. I'm going to be doing the Borghese face mask, mud mask, active mud for face and body. I really love this stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know what's in it, but it does wonders for my skin. And I'll leave a link for it down below if you guys want to try it out yourself, but it is really, really good. I love it. I originally got it in a glossy box. Wow, that's a while ago. This is at least a year old. And I still have it. That should tell you how many face masks I have. Like, I could literally be one of those people that spreads them all out all over the floor and then I just like dive in them and take a picture. Like, that's me. Ooh, picture idea. I've already cleaned my face using the Bioderma sensitive, I don't know what they're called, but the pink one, like how they have the Garnier, they have the blue, the green, the pink, they're the same with the Bioderma. The Bioderma, from what I understand from when I went to BeautyCon, is the actual version. Like the Garnier is the watered down like dupe version. So the Bioderma, I can definitely say from using Bioderma, it makes my face feel amazing, but I'm also not gonna lie, I haven't been taking care of my face recently. I've been cleaning it like once a day instead of twice a day. Like I said, it's been hot, haven't been eating well, and I haven't been drinking lots of water. Water is key when it comes to having good skin. My face right now is just, it's not the best. Like, I even have a pimple here. Like, what is that? Definitely got little breakouts, little blackheads everywhere. So today we're gonna try to fix a few of those problems. Let's see if my Borghese active mud for face and body will work, and if afterwards my T-zone area is still full of like blackheads and stuff like that, I'm actually gonna do a double mask by putting the Boscia black luminizing mask. This, I have mixed reviews on this. Super expensive, first of all. I can't remember how much it is right now, but I'll pop it on the screen how much this costs. And I know you can get it at Sephora. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else. That's where I got mine, Sephora. It takes stuff out of your skin, and it definitely does. Like, it says it refines pores or whatever, like if you like read all this stuff. And it does refine your pores over time gradually, but it's not like you go to the drugstore and you buy like one of those dollar face masks and the peel off ones, and you peel it off and you can see everything in it and there's like instant satisfaction, like, oh look, I cleaned my face, I got all this stuff out of it. This doesn't do that. This is like a light pull. If there's anything that's really on the surface, it will pull that out fine, but it's not getting the deep stuff. So even in general, when I do want to use this, I have to use some kind of mud mask or something that's gonna draw all the dirt and everything to the surface first before I can just put on this, because otherwise it's just a waste and it is expensive and I am not wasting this stuff. It's literally, I think it was like $38 if I'm not mistaken. Like, that's a lot for a face mask, but I do not care when it comes to skincare. It could be $100, it could be $1,000 if it's going to make my skin good and perfect and like not age, because like, you know, we all care about the anti-aging properties and benefits of like all products. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get anything that helps my skin. I really am. As you guys know, I am obsessed with face masks. I have literally a whole playlist of face masks that I'll put in the card up here. As I said, I've already cleaned my skin, and now I'm going to dampen my skin, like open up my pores type thing, and I will be right back. We're going to be applying the mask with a little Bare Minerals brush. I'm gonna go wet my face and I'll be right back. I look crazy now, but as you guys can tell, I just wet my face. And I'm gonna apply the mask now. My camera's over here telling me numbers. I don't even know what these numbers mean like right now. It's flashing number 7. Oh shit, number 6. I don't know what that means. If anybody knows what that means on a camera, and now it says 5. Oh my god, I gotta hurry up. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm putting on this mask. It's really, really thick. I'm keeping it away from my eye area, like right here, because this is all like the sensitive area of your eye, and I'm not trying to like cause premature aging. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on this entire mask. Okay, so I'm not sure again what that flashing thing means, but I got it to turn back on, and now it's flashing number 8, and here we go, number 7 again. I don't know what's going on, but as you can see, I'm just finishing putting on this face mask. I'm not going any closer to my eyes because that's just super sensitive skin. Literally just looks like I have dirt on my face. Like, gotta love a face. Gotta love a mud mask. You can like clearly hear my daughter beside me. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish applying this. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all applied, and then we're probably just gonna wait about 10 minutes and then I can wash it off. Update time. So I've had the mask on for maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. I have to leave it on for maybe another 2 or 3 minutes. It's partially dry in like the corners and stuff, but for the most part it's still pretty wet. I put on a really thick layer. It does say to put on a thick layer and leave it on for about 2 to 5 minutes, but everybody's face is going to be different. Everybody probably has different amounts of oils and stuff like that in their face, so it's going to affect everybody differently. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on for another couple of minutes, wash it off, and come back and tell you guys how I feel. Up close, this looks so weird. Okay, it has now been maybe like 7 to 10 minutes, which is kind of double the time it told me to leave this on, but I guess my skin is just really, really oily and it took a lot more time to dry. You can tell where it's a lot more drier than other patches, but I'm gonna go wash this off right now. All right, as you can tell, I have washed off the mask, and my face literally looks and feels so much better, so clean. 10 out of 10, highly recommend you pick this up, whether it be a travel size, smaller size like this, or the full size. Definitely, I will leave everything in the description box below on how to check this product out, because oh my god, my skin feels so good. Haven't put any moisturizer on yet, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and spray the hydrating Milky Mist. Milky Mist? Milky Mist. Say that 10 times fast. By Pixie. Absolutely love this stuff. So, as you know, just overspray. Love me some spray. Actually gonna do a quick little close-up of my skin after spraying the Milky Mist, after doing the Borghese face mask, and aside from the fact that it's taking a long time to focus, I think my skin looks so much better, like so much better. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what your favorite face mask is down in the comment section below. And go ahead and click on my face mask playlist if you love face masks like me and you want to see all of my favorites. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye.
I don't know what that means. Does that mean there's 10 minutes left? There's 9 minutes left? There's 9 seconds left? There's 9 minutes left. 9 minutes left? I don't know what that means, but there's something flashing on my camera, so now I'm like, oh, it's basically trying to tell me, yeah, my thing, I don't have any space. All right, cool.
Now, Guinness, that's really silly, Mama.
And I think that could be kind of fun. So, who am I channeling today, guys? Let me know down below. Rude.